Now we will do just a recap of all the 3 letters that you have finished under Jolly Phonics. And your first letter is S and your sound S. The first letter is S and your sound S. Yes? And we learned S, isn't it? S. Right? The first letter is S and your sound S. Now, your second letter is A and your sound A. Your second letter is A and your sound is A. We learn under it how the ants crawl. A. The ants crawl, right? A and A. And the third one is T and your sound T. T and your sound T. Once again, your sound, a letter S, sound S. Your letter S, sound S. Your letter A and your sound A. Letter A and your sound A. Third one, your letter T, your sound T. Letter T and your sound T. Okay. So once again, I'll just show you. We learned S, sound S. Second one is A, your sound A. The next one is letter T, your sound T. S, 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 S. A, 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 A. T, 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 T. So we have learned 3 letters and their sounds.